The president of the Economic Freedom Fighters EFF, Julius Malema, castigated the efforts by the South African Independent Electoral Commission (IEC) in trying to bar the former ANC leader and president of South Africa from contesting in the forthcoming elections in South Africa on May 29, 2024. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. We absolutely have no problem with President Zuma and what he is doing. It is his political right, and we are not far from MK when it comes to policies, Malema said. In today's news, the EFF president, Julius Malema, says Zuma has a political right to contest. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.